Have you ever wondered how much power nature truly holds? It's a force that shapes our world, sometimes in ways that are awe-inspiring, other times in ways that are downright terrifying. Natural disasters are such instances where nature flexes its might, causing destruction and change on a grand scale. From the seemingly benign to the devastatingly powerful, these disasters are ranked based on their magnitude, the extent of destruction they cause, and their death toll. Let's delve deeper and start with the least destructive natural disaster. When we think of natural disasters, tornadoes may not be the first to come to mind. Yet these spiraling columns of air, born of thunderstorms and atmospheric instability, hold a power that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. Tornadoes may rank as the least destructive on our list, largely due to their localized impact, but they can still wreak havoc with winds that reach over 200 miles per hour. This fierce force can uproot trees, demolish houses, and toss vehicles like toys. If you find yourself in the path of a tornado, seek shelter immediately, preferably in a basement or an interior room away from windows. Remember, while tornadoes may be the least destructive on our list, they are not to be taken lightly. From the swirling winds, we move to the shaking grounds, earthquakes. Earthquakes are the violent shaking of the Earth's crust, triggered by the release of stress accumulated along geological faults or by volcanic activity. They rank higher than tornadoes due to their broader area of impact and potential for immense destruction. Imagine the very ground beneath your feet, which you've always trusted to be firm and steady, suddenly trembling and convulsing. Buildings can collapse, roads can crack open, and entire cities can be leveled. The most powerful earthquake recorded in history struck Chile in 1960, measuring an incredible 9.5 on the Richter scale. If you find yourself in an earthquake, the best course of action is to drop, cover, and hold on. Seek immediate shelter under sturdy furniture or against an interior wall, away from glass or heavy items that may fall. Remember, when the earth shakes, it's time to drop, cover, and hold on. Hold. From the shaking grounds, we move to the raging seas, tsunamis. These potent sea waves are not just water in motion, they're energy unleashed. Born from the undersea earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, tsunamis rank higher than earthquakes in terms of their destructive potential. Imagine walls of water, as tall as skyscrapers, traveling at jet speed across the ocean. That's the might of a tsunami. The damage they can cause is unimaginable. Cities washed away, landscapes altered, countless lives lost. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, one of the deadliest in history, claimed more than 250,000 lives in 14 countries. So what can one do when a tsunami strikes? The first rule is to move inland and to higher ground immediately. Pay attention to warning systems and adhere to evacuation orders. Remember, nothing is more important than your life. Tsunamis, a force of nature that reminds us of the power the sea holds. From the raging seas, we move to the furious skies, hurricanes. These powerful storms, born over warm ocean waters, are a formidable force of nature, ranking as the strongest of all natural disasters. A hurricane's strength lies in its complex formation. Warm, moist air rises, creating an area of low pressure beneath. This causes more air to rush in, which then rises and cools, forming clouds and thunderstorms. This continuous cycle, powered by the heat of the ocean, leads to a growing storm system that can span hundreds of miles. The potential damage from hurricanes is immense. They bring with them heavy rains that can cause significant flooding, damaging winds that can reach over 150 miles per hour, and storm surges that can raise sea levels by more than 20 feet, devastating coastal communities. If a hurricane is approaching, it's crucial to prepare. Ensure you have a disaster supply kit. Know your evacuation routes and secure your home. If ordered to evacuate, do so immediately. Hurricanes, the strongest of all natural disasters, truly exhibit the ferocity of nature. From tornadoes to hurricanes, we've journeyed through the power of nature. We've seen the whirl of the tornado, felt the tremors of the earthquake, witnessed the crushing force of the tsunami, and braced against the fury of the hurricane. Each disaster holds its unique strength, its own danger. The key takeaways: stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, respect the formidable force of nature. Remember, nature is a force to be respected. Stay safe, stay prepared, and always respect the power of nature.